Gold traded in a no trade zone throughout the day, 2500 to 2510 levels, precisely swinging in between this zone, which is, I can say, a no trade zone for the day. Likewise, silver has moved towards 2850-60, which I have mentioned as a greater resistance in the first update for the day. Now, what to expect from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect a rise here as a little bullishness is seen here? Can we expect it to break out on the upside, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification for both the updates, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort as well. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. If you look at gold on the hourly chart, see after the drop, this is clearly trading in the retracement channel, neither staying bullish nor staying bearish here, precisely staying in the zone. On the upside, there are greater resistances. If you see gold is staying above 2510, we can initiate a buying entry, expect it to move towards 2515-16 and then 2520-22. I think it is going to get very strong resistance here on the upside, even if it tries to give you a breakout here. uh, Chances for a stronger breakout towards 2520, 2522 is difficult, but yes, these are markets beyond 2520, 2522. You can look forward to 2526 and 2530-32. Greater resistances. Moving averages have crossed over here and are trading with without any divergence here. You can see almost staying flat. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD almost trading without any divergence here, running flat. RSI is also running flat. Coming to the two on the 2 hour charts, 2500 levels proving out to be a support here. With the support at 2500, we have seen couple of candles hitting higher highs and a flat bottom. Just I expect that this should not be an expanding triangle where it tries to move again on the upside, hitting the lows here. So be watchful on the downside towards 2500, 2498. Very good support is seen here at around these levels. And if you look at the stochastic, this is running flat. The MACD is trading with little divergence, little bullishness. RSI is running flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar formation here. After the drop, trading in the retracement channel. The highs at around 2516, and possibility is there that if it breaks beyond 2510-12, you can look forward to 2516 and 2520-22. On the downside, we have greater support below 25,498, 2494 first support, 2490 second, and then 2484-85. If these three levels are taken, then you can say it is turning bearish and you can look forward to a greater drop. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with little divergence, little bullishness. RSI running flat here, no indication on RSI part. Coming to the 4, if you look at 4 hour chart, see first bearish candle and couple of swing candles here. Preceding candle closing in a doji, that is an indecision here, and now starting on the highs it is trying to retrace. I will be definitely watchful of 2498, 2500 zone, which is indeed a very good support for now, and then 2494-95. If these two levels are taken, then only I will treat gold as bearish here. If you look at the formation here on the 4 hour chart, similarly what we have seen on the early charts, after the drop, this is the retracement in which is going through, and a breakout below 2490, 2484 levels should be treated as a breakout of this channel, and a stronger bearish momentum may prevail here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with little divergence, little bullishness. And if you look at RSI, this is almost running flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, see these two candles are important. We have seen it finding the support here at around 2484-85 with the lows at 2484-85. We have seen the preceding candle closing at the top. Now this candle is trying to stay in a swing zone, specifically only and only if it trades below 2494. You can say that the bears will be active, else it is still not showing any signs of bearishness. Rather, a range bound or modest bullishness, I will say, is shown. Stochastic here is running flat. The MACD on the daily charts is trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is almost running flat as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2510-12, but then you have to be cautious of 2516, 2520-22, 2526, and 2530-32. Till 2532, greater resistances are available and at a very nearby, you can say, steps here. So till 2530-32, you have to be careful. I have seen and I have shared several times that look at this multiple attempts to break beyond 25, 30, 32. Failing to do so, price is reversed. Second observation on the daily charts is the support it is showing at the 20 period moving average. Very good support is seen here, and with this as support, prices are looking upward. So at these levels, you have to be cautious. And thus, on the upside, I have mentioned beyond 25, 32, we are looking forward to a greater rise, which can take the prices towards 25, 40, 25, 50 zone. While on the downside, see, you can look at, see, prices have retraced here. It has taken the support. If today's candle closes below 20 period moving average, specifically below 2494 or 2484 zone, and then possibility exists that the coming candle, that is tomorrow with the CPI data, we may see a breakdown here. So this possibility we should not deny here, and thus I will recommend you to 2500 2498 levels and expected to drop towards 2494, 2490, 2484, 85, below which you can say more bearishness will take it towards 2478, 2470 levels, below which a major crash can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at see silver on the hourly chart. Similarly, what we have seen in gold, after the drop forming double bottom, it is trading under the retracement channel. And see the support levels now at 2830, 2820 are very, very strong. And I will say till $28 levels, we have very strong support for silver. Any breakout below 28 is, you should treat this as a breakout, and then you can look forward to a greater drop. Else, right now, after the drop, this is retracing. It is a retracement as long as it stays below $29 levels. Only above 29, you can say that it is a bullish reversal. If you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over, slight bullish sign it is. If you also look at the hourly charts, you will find, see, one bearish candle, couple of retracement candle, another bearish candle. I like watch out the next candle. Possibly this may try to take the prices again towards 2830, 2820 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, RSI looking downwards. Coming to two, likewise on the 2 hour charts, see the formation here, rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. 2830, 2820, very, very good support is seen now, below which it should be a breakout out of this trend, which is a retracement trend, and below 2820 and below 28 is where major bearishness will prevail. Stochastic almost running flat. The MACD is trading with little bullishness. RSI running flat here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see what the current candle has done. Formed a double top here. Forming a double top, we have seen prices retracing. Look at the preceding candle. Preceding candle also has a bigger tail and a smaller green body. This time it has formed a double top trying to retrace. Possibly this could try to move back within the zone here at 2830, 2820. Also, if you look at the formation here, it is seen good retracement now, and there should be a couple of bearish candles from here which could take the prices further down. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is flat. Considering this, let's also have a look at the 4 hour and daily charts. So before I give you the trading levels, if you look at the 4 hour charts, you have to be watchful of this zone 28 30 20. Very, very good support here. Only below 2820 you can say this is a reversal. Else what is happening, it can form a tail and it could reverse and it could rise again. Yes, this is possible. Though if you look at the charts, you will find that the preceding candle hardly the bulls are interested here. But yes, right now it can reverse if it forms, or as long as it respects 28 30, 28 20 zone, chances of a reversal will be very, very high. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to look at daily charts here, see double bottom, a little rise. Right now it is trying to stay in a zone. Possibly this could try to come back and close at around 2830, and this is the zone in which it is trying to limit itself. And as long as stays between 2860 to 2820, we should be cautious here. It is neither bullish nor bearish. Below 2820 is where we can see slight bearishness, and a reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades below $28 levels. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is running flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today at 2860 levels, where you can expect 2875.80, and then $29 levels as the next targets. Beyond 29 is where the bulls are waiting, else it is still not to be treated bullish. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2820 levels, expect it to move towards $28 levels as the first target, 27.75 at the second, and if these two levels are taken just a short, we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 27.50, 27.20 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asian Europe session. Thus join the free Telegram channel for live. and press the bell icon as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Stay tuned. Do not miss to watch the both updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.